Hello everyone, it's Alexandra. Welcome back. I have finished the fourth part in the series of tutorials for making a junk journaling station and nature-themed journals to go along with it. Thank you, Victoria Designs, for your inspiring paper collections. If you are not familiar with Victoria Designs digital papers, please check them out in their Etsy store. The link will be down below. Looking back, we started with making the station itself absolutely from scratch out of medium weight chipboard. The first theme and the first paper collection that we worked with was called Butterfly Beauty. The second theme was related to the world of birds, and the collection was called Early Birds. Besides the journal number 2, we also created an ephemera holder, which was supposed to be stored in one of the journaling station drawers. The third journal was about the flowers. We used a collection called The World of Flowers for that one. I really like how the journal with the see-through windows on the cover turned out. I have tried to create journals that will look similar in style, but still have different features inside. And I really hope that you learned something new or maybe got new ideas while working along with me on each one of those journals. If you did, I would be very happy. And today I'm back to share the fourth journal, which features the collection called Animal Kingdom. To complete our absolutely gorgeous handmade set, I created a pencil holder. Being quite simple, it is super useful and can make your working space look pretty and unique. In today's tutorial, I'm going to give you all the measurements and show you how to make the pencil holder, of course the journal as well, but also the pencil holder. Once I was done filming, I decided to add these charms with the letters, and I had a hard time finding a way of attaching them to the pencil holder at first, and then after some thinking, this is what I came up with. I added jump rings to each one of these round pendants, and I put them on a string. I also added eyelets to the pencil holder for a prettier look of the holes, because the holes without the eyelets looked quite weird. Moving back to the journal itself, I want to flip through its pages without talking too much and just let you enjoy the beautiful graphics and images on each page. Victoria Designs papers are very recognizable in my opinion, and they're really pretty and amazing. Let me show you how it looks from the top and on the sides. And here is a spine with some charms and beads that I have added to it. Of course, I also had to add the number 4 charm to the spine of this book, since all the previous books also had their numbers on them. So the journal has a ribbon closure here, and let's dive in. And before we begin the flip through itself, I also want to say that the leaves here, first of all, are not from the paper collection. They are 3D embossed and die-cut paper leaves that I have created using one of the dies from Tim Holtz and Sizzix. Then I have also used some yellow tape throughout the pages of the journal, and that tape comes on a roll like this. I purchased it from Amazon. I think it's some kind of thermal tape, if I'm not mistaken. I really like how this yellow pop of color adds character to this book. If you want to create this journal together with me, please watch the tutorials. Have fun crafting, and thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you soon. Bye.